Ordinal numbers. We use ordinal numbers for order: first, second, third, fourth. 1. First. First. Anna is first in the line. May 1st, 2026. Tom is the first to finish. Anna won first prize at the music festival. 2. Second. Second. Dan is second. May 2nd, 2026. I am from Spain. English is my second language. David asks for a second chance. 3. Third. Third. Mary is third. May 3rd, 2026. This is my third coffee. My office is on the third floor. 4. Fourth. Fourth. Leo is fourth. May 4th, 2026. This is Jane's fourth tour to Greece. The fourth episode. From fourth, we usually say number plus th. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th. 11th. 12th. 13th. 14th. 20th. 30th. 31st. 32nd. 33rd. 100th. Use it or lose it. Let's practice. Pause the video and write your sentence in the comments. English is my language. My birthday is on the... These are the words from the video. You can pause now and read them.